Hey guys, Rachel here, and I have to tell you, I got really excited when they brought in this pre-owned unit because the price, but it's in great condition. I love the interior, so I'm excited to show you. But let's go around to the front because I'm not sure of the year. So it is a Coachmen Nano off-grid. It is a 2023. The model is 213 RDS. I'm in great condition. Fiberglass. You see that long awning and your speakers outside, but let's take a look inside. All right. Love the colors. Love the color. So you got your dinette, and it is a different layout. It really is. So you've got your couch right here, and across you're going to put your entertainment right up there. You've got your dinette set over here, and I love this layout. I really do. You got some storage up there, beautiful windows, long counter with more storage and more storage, but I like a lot of space here. You've got your 2-burner. You've got your, looks like your microwave, a nice big sink, and I love the window right in front of that sink. On this side, you've got a nice shower. Okay, guys, plenty of room here, plenty of space. You've got, we just got this one in. I'm not even sure it's on the website just yet. So if you want more information, let me know because it is a pre-owned. It's going to go fast, just like all of these other ones do. A nice size fridge. But they are cleaning it right now. Even though they haven't cleaned it, it still looks fantastic, to be honest. All right, and then right here, we've got our master bedroom. You can walk on either side, but you got storage on both sides. Love it. And of course, I always love the window in the back where your head can go and you can look outside. But you guys tell me what you think. Of course, you know that this could be, actually this reclines even better. Love it. And then of course that can be a bed as well. So you guys tell me what you think. My information's below. If you want information, call me, text me, email me. Come up here and see me, Funtown RV in Waco. Ask for Rachel. But again, like all of our pre-owned, they will go fast. So, if you want information, give me a call. Until next time.